Yesterday, I found a Skibidi toilet for $50 at a store called Winners, and I never picked it up, and I'm really regretting it. So I think I'm gonna run there and go get it. Only problem is, I only have 25 bucks in my bank account, and my Visa is negative. But I have a bunch of change and loonies and toonies, so I'm gonna have to carry those and go running. Let's go run some errands. Okay, so I loaded my bag with about $34 in change, and I think my debit has enough to cover the rest. Good to go. I'm thinking this will be around a 5-kilometer run. I'm a little bit nervous because yesterday they only had one Skibidi toilet left in stock, and it's pretty popular, so it might not be there. But if it is there, I'll get it and I'll run back and I'll review it at home. Let's run some errands. Got the change. Okay, about 3 kilometers into my run, I'm on my way to go pick up the Skibidi toilet mystery pack, or whatever it's called. I'm feeling it pretty good, but it'll all be worth it if it's still there. Wish me luck. I'm really wishing I would have just picked it up yesterday, but what are you gonna do? Now I got a bag full of change, but it's gonna all be worth it if it's still there. It stopped raining for a second, so that's good. The weather's been really cold lately. Alright, today's not too bad. Okay, 3.5 kilometers in, almost there. Starting to get nervous, it's not there. Please let it be there. I made it. Wish me luck. I made it. Wish me luck. Better still be here. I'm praying the Skibidi toilet's still here. I think it's in the toy section, unless someone moved it. Maybe it's hidden behind something. Not looking good. Not seeing it anywhere. actually have. They actually have it. I found it in the sporting section for some reason, but yeah, the run was worth it. It was worth it. Run some errands. Now let's see if they let me pay partly with change and partly with debit. Okay, I actually got it. They actually had it, and they accepted my change. So I did it. They actually had two, so I took the one with the better condition. At first they didn't want to take my change, but it all worked out. I forgot to bring a bag, and I didn't want to buy one of theirs, so we already have so many reusable bags at home. So I'm just gonna carry this for the rest of my run. Got like 1 kilometer. I'm gonna get home, then we'll do an unboxing and a cool down. See what minifigures I get. So glad I was able to get it. I would have regretted it for a long time if I wasn't able to get it after passing up yesterday.
Time 23.
At first, I didn't think they were gonna have it. But they actually did. It was a good run so far, too. I love running errands. Woo! It's nice running without the $34. It's nice running without the $34 and change in my bag. It's starting to throw off my balance with workout. But it all worked out. 1 kilometer left. Okay, let's finish this run off. Then let's do the unboxing of the Skibidi toilet mystery bag. Okay, now we're gonna be unboxing the Skibidi toilet mystery surprise toilet. It was a really hard run, ran some errands, but actually got it. Very excited to see what's in this baby. Also, I didn't know it made a flushing noise. I've only seen a few of the videos and not really my thing, but just the pop culture around this, it's very cool. So I decided to go run some errands and pick this up. I just think it's really inspiring that you can start something from nothing, and next thing you know, you're selling these. It's really cool. Okay, there it is. Oh, it's in the back? Okay, so what is this, like a poster? Oh, it shows you the different minifigs you can get. I'm really hoping for one of the regular Skibidi toilets. Maybe G toilet? Looks kind of cool. I'm still really sweaty, but perfect time to unbox, I guess. Okay, this is all coming from the back. And this is the first one. Oh, there they are, 2 of them. One feels completely empty. I'm not gonna lie. And which one is it? It's the TV guy. TV man. Kind of disappointed in this one. And what's in this one? Oh, I guess it's not the toy. It's I guess it's stickers. Comes with a few stickers. Like some propaganda type thing. War. Kind of scary. I don't know. Not the greatest quality, but... And we got this. Oh, it's like a lanyard for Skibidi toilet. It says scan for special content. I don't know. Kind of cool, I guess. Maybe you could put like your ID in it or something. Or your bus pass. I don't know. And here's another toy. It kind of feels like a toilet. If this is G, what's his name? G toilet, I'm gonna be very excited. Ooh, it's not, but it's the regular one, I think. It's just Skibidi toilet. So that's actually pretty cool. I'm actually pretty happy with that. I'll definitely put this on my desk or something. It's actually pretty good quality. Very happy with that. And that's it for the back of the toilet. Okay, now let's open up the main part. Does this just pop out? Let's see. Okay, I love it. Kind of love this. I'd be happy if it was just this. This is definitely going on my desk. This was definitely worth it. Yeah, that's cool. That was a good 5-kilometer run. Not my best time because the change was throwing me off, but pretty good still. I don't know if this is worth $50, but when you use $35 of change around your house, not too bad. Thanks for watching Running Some Errands. I'm just gonna be cooling off.